got a 2020 BMW X1. I'm going to show you how to get into the service menu to reset some of the maintenance items you have, like the inspections, brake pads, oil change, things like that. Okay, so I got the car running right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car off. And then with your foot off the brake, hit engine start stop, okay? And power up the cluster just like this, all right? Now I'm gonna hit the BC button to get rid of that service due, okay? And now I'm gonna press and hold down the 00 button here. And the service menu should pop right up, okay? Right now it's telling me that reset is impossible for engine oil because it's already been reset. So we're gonna hit the 00 button again, and we're looking for something I can reset. Like I can reset the brake fluid right now. So if you need to do your oil, it's going to be the same procedure. Just press and hold down 00 on the item. As you want to reset, you let go and press and hold it again. And it starts resetting it. All right. So when you're done with that, you can put your foot on the brake, start it up, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. I hope to see you again in another video.